Well, so topic of the day is Insurance Ombudsman in India. Let's understand the Insurance Ombudsman scheme was created by the Government of India for individual policyholders to have their complaints settled out of the court system in a cost-effective, efficient and impartial way. There are at present 17 insurance ombudsmen in different locations, and any person who has a grievance against an insurer may himself or through his legal heirs, nominee or assignee, make a complaint in writing to the insurance ombudsman within whose territorial jurisdiction the branch or office of the insurer complained against, or the residential address or place of residence of the complainant is located. So if one wants to approach to the ombudsman with complaint, the method is first you approach to your insurance company with the complaint and see they have rejected it, not resolved it to your satisfaction, or not responded it at all for 30 days. In that case, you have first approached your insurance company with the complaint. And your complaint pertains to any policy you have taken in your capacity as an individual, and the value of the claim, including expenses claimed, is not above rupees 30 lakhs. So the complaint is to the ombudsman can be about delay in settlement of claims beyond the time specified in the regulations framed under the IRD Act 1999. Any partial or total repudiation of claims by the life insurer, general insurer or the health insurer. Any dispute about premium paid or payable in terms of insurance policy. And misrepresentation of the policy terms and conditions at any time in the policy document or policy contract. And a legal construction of insurance policies insofar as the dispute relate to claim. Policy servicing related grievance against insurers and their agents and intermediaries. Issuance of life insurance policy, general insurance policy, including health insurance policy, which is not in conformity with the proposal form submitted by the proposer. Or non-issuance of insurance policy after receipt of premium in life insurance, general insurance, or including health insurance. Or any other matter resulting from the violation of provisions of the Insurance Act 1938 or the regulations, circulars, guidelines, or instructions issued by the IRDA from time to time, or the terms and conditions of the policy contract, insofar as they relate to issue mentioned at clauses stated now. The settlement process of the ombudsman case is slightly different, because the ombudsman will act as mediator and arrive at a fair recommendation based on the facts of the dispute. If you accept this as a full and final settlement, the ombudsman will inform the company which should comply with the terms in 15 days. If a settlement by recommendation does not work, the ombudsman will pass an award within 3 months of receiving all the requirements from the complainant, and which will be binding on the insurance company. So once the award is passed by the insurance ombudsman, the insurer shall comply with the award within 30 days of the receipt of the award and intimate the compliance of the same to the ombudsman. So the rules related to the ombudsman are very specific and they have changed time to time. Because basically, the first set of rules were published in 2017. Thereafter, there were amendments from time to time. Now, the Council for Insurance Ombudsman has taken many new initiatives, such as introduction of chatbot, that is Bima Lokpal Mitra, escalation metrics for follow-up for compliance of award by insurers within mandated 30 days from the date of award from 1st April 2023. The most ambitious initiative is introduction of digitally signed award by insurance ombudsman. This initiative proves to be a giant leap towards digitization in line with the directives of Honorable Prime Minister of India and will further ensure speedy disposal of the complaints. The aim is to complete ombudsman of CMC module. To create awareness among masses about insurance ombudsman, grievance redressal system, a radio jingle in Hindi and in 10 regional languages was aired on 44 radio stations of Prasar Bharati for a period of 2.5 months. All 17 centers undertook a lot of publicity measures like outdoor publicity, creative for banner posters widely published, press ads, radio talks, interviews by insurance ombudsmen aired during Bima Lokpal Day. So to communicate the Bima Lokpal Day on 11 November 2022, CIO successfully facilitated the web address of insurance chairman. So as a measure of competency announcement at various levels, continuous function training program for insurance ombudsman and staffs is already in the system. So as far as the system is concerned, all 17 offices of insurance ombudsman together received total 51,103 complaints in 22-23, which is 90% higher over that of last year. Collectively, all centers disposed of 51,625 complaints. So the total disposal is 101%, which shows a remarkable improvement in disposal of complaints over the financial year 21-22. But it is indeed heartening to share that 10 out of 17 centers disposed of 100% complaints in 23. And I started the new year with a clean state. So as far as the working of insurance ombudsman is concerned, the institution of insurance ombudsman was created by the Government of India under the Redressal of Public Grievance Rules 1998, that is called RPG rules, notified in the official gazette on 11th November 1998. So the RPG rules have been replaced by Insurance Ombudsman Rule 2017. Now this Insurance Amendment Rule 2017 were amended and the amendments were notified time to time. So as per the Insurance Ombudsman Rule 2007, the Council for Insurance Ombudsman on receipt of annual reports from all offices of insurance ombudsmen used to furnish a report containing a general view of the activities of Insurance Ombudsman during the preceding financial year and such other information as it may consider necessary to the central government and to the IRDI. The annual report for the financial year 22-23 have been received from all offices. And say the activity is undertaken in the financial year 22-23. That the process for recruitment for insurance ombudsman for 8 centers, which are still unfilled, like Ahmedabad, Bhubaneswar, Kolkata, Noida, Lucknow, Delhi, Patna and Pune, but has completed. All ombudsmen have taken charge at their respective centers for which they were appointed. Orientation program for all ombudsmen was conducted by NIA Pune for the period 22-23. So regular online training sessions on CMS module Tally are being conducted for officers. And publicity activities are also there. As additional budget has been given to insurance ombudsmen for creating outdoor publicity. In order to create public awareness about the mechanism of insurance ombudsman, various activities are undertaken by the ombudsmen. Office of Counsel for Insurance Ombudsman carried out radio campaign. Hoardings were displayed at prominent places by all offices of insurance ombudsmen in different cities under their respective jurisdiction. And now, the institution of insurance ombudsman was established under the redressal of public grievance rule 1988, and insurance ombudsman was set up after the government of India passed a notification in 1998 to provide fair solution to insurance related complaints. So in order to remember complaint to your insurance company, it may say no, that it is off to the ombudsman where your chances grow. So to popularize the institution of insurance ombudsman, a speedy and free of cost mechanism for redressal of insurance related complaints, Bima Lokpal Day is celebrated every year on 11th November. And the activities are done almost at every center. So this is a very good initiative for popularizing these grievance redressal mechanism. And now, major online facilities are available on the website of Insurance Ombudsman. Registration of complaint online using mobile number, tracking of complaint using registered mobile number, a facility for a complainant to view and download award given by Insurance Ombudsman using registered mobile number, addresses and contact details of all 17 Insurance Ombudsmen, details of grievance redressal offices or officers of all insurance companies, a video showing how to lodge online complaints, chatbot Bima Lokpal Mitra to resolve common queries, frequently asked questions are there, Insurance Ombudsman Rule 2017 amended till date is there, annual reports are there, e-forms and complainant and for insurance company e-forms are available. So these are the developments taking place in this field. And the system is working very well because the percentage of settlement of grievances is wonderful. It is more than 100%. So even the backlog is cleared. Thank you very much.